Good morning, everybody. It's Uncle Bill OGorman here at Royal Nissan on Route 281 in Cortland. And check out this beautiful 2020 Nissan Altima. Today I want to talk about leasing because this Altima is one of those specials that Nissan just came out with. It's not going to last long. You can actually drive this car home and enjoy it for just $279 a month. That's right, brand new car, full factory warranty. Everywhere you go, Nissan is going to be with you, and so are we. And what's nice about this lease is you only have to come up with $1,599. Now, some folks have been out there looking at used cars at some used car dealer. They're sitting there and they're finding 30, 40, 50,000 mile cars. And they're going to pay $300-400 for those, and they're still going to put the tax and other stuff down. Where here, Nissan has come out with this amazing program for this car of just $279 a month. That's right, $279 a month. You get to drive 12,000 miles a year. For many people, that is plenty. And again, with only $1,599 out of pocket. And you know, folks, I've got a lot of cars here. We've got some great lease specials. So call me, text me, Uncle Bill OGorman here at Royal Nissan Subaru, Route 281 Cortland, 607-543-1215.